Welcome! My name is Jacob White and I'm the Product Marketing Director for Peterbilt, and this is the Model 589 Short Hood Day Cab. Let's take a look at some of the key characteristics and features of this premium workhorse that you would expect with a traditional Peterbilt. Starting up front, the polished aluminum crown is unmistakably Peterbilt, with a stainless steel grille sheet that incorporates a rectangular pattern from the very first tilt hood piece. Of course, there's a bird above the crown and 3 grille bars, along with pod headlights. New for this model are the LED daytime running lights in the fender brace. This will provide a unique signature at the front of the truck. And there are a wide array of bumpers to fit any application, like the deep tapered one shown here. The hood itself is hucked together and constructed of familiar, lightweight aluminum, with bicycle-style fenders. It looks great and is easily repairable. Unique to the short hood is a Maton quarter fender, which enables the hood to open a full 90 degrees for service and accommodate external air cleaners. The 15-inch traditional style air cleaners sit proudly at the cowl, where they belong. They feature the same rectangular mesh pattern as the grille sheet. That same rectangular pattern is carried to the exhaust covers. And short hoods now feature dual functional exhaust like the long hoods. The West Coast style mirrors are cab mounted and feature improved visibility with a 2-inch taller flat glass and repositioned convex. Heated and motorized are standard. There's a distinct new V-style visor and new bullet marker lights with twice as many LEDs for improved light output. Entering the cab, you'll notice the new battery box designed to match the after treatment box on the other side, featuring 45 inches of tread space and excellent step spacing, making it easy to get in and out of the truck. My favorite feature is the integrated handle, which makes removing the lid easy. Inside, it has nearly 2 cubic feet of storage for tools. The door is unique to this model, with a smooth surface and this crisp line complementing the hood. The interior is quiet and comfortable. Certainly the view of the traditional square hood out the front of the windshield will make Peterbilt loyalists feel immediately right at home. Several interior trim options are available, both platinum or premier, as well as gray or tan. This truck is equipped with the Alpine Gray Premier interior, which offers many premium appointments, such as bright trim, along with dark molded colored dash and kick panels to hide wear, with dark uppers for reduced glare and a sleek appearance. The interior also features many driver-focused amenities, such as the comfortable steering wheel with controls for digital display, large cup holders and power ports, and high-performance automatic climate control. There are also a variety of B-panel options with room for up to 6 traditional-style round gauges. Powertrain options for all applications are still available, including automatic, automated, and manual transmissions. Drivers of manual transmissions will benefit from the easy actuation of the air-assisted hydraulic clutch, reducing fatigue and maintenance. The latest collision mitigation and driver assistance technology is available too, with seamless display integration. This includes available automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, side object detection, and more. The Model 589, with a road presence that's unmistakably Peterbilt and unrivaled driver amenities, is simply legendary.